Hey guys, so apparently I forgot to do an intro for this video. As you can tell, it is my productive nighttime routine. Oh, there's a mom in the background. Say hi, Mom. We are currently watching football right now. That's why I'm out here. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. Hey guys, obviously you can clearly tell it is dark, and I'm still reading. It's because I did get distracted for a little bit, but it wasn't for too long. But also this textbook, it's a lot. It's pretty long. I also apologize that this is my first time speaking to you guys, because I didn't realize, I forgot how long these chapters, forgot how long, this is one chapter by the way guys. I keep forgetting how long the chapters are. I don't know how long it would take me. I didn't realize it was going to be this long. I planned on like reading and then talking to you guys and then probably then doing something else. I should have just done it after I was done reading, but I meant not done reading after when I was finished. Well, when I stopped cleaning my room because I wanted to take a break. Yeah, my bad. So I'm talking to you guys now. I'm not done reading. I have like 1.5 more sections of the textbook to read. I'm currently, this whole time I've been watching Twitch streams. Right now I'm currently just watching like an old Twitch stream because the one that I was watching that was live ended. So I decided to watch a stream that were streams that were already like obviously done and over with. And they just watch them. I am talking to you now because, first of all, because it's been a while, you guys, it's been a good chunk of time where it's just been like me reading and like, just music playing and stuff and whatnot. So my apologies again. But I also, in a few minutes, I'm gonna take a shower before it gets too late. Because like I prefer to do it like no later than 8 because so my hair has time to dry, because I hate having my hair be wet when when I'm sleeping, because then I wake up and it's all like weird and it's still kind of wet and it dries weird. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna stop where I am because I got to a good stopping point. I'm going to I'll get ready to take a shower. But thank you guys for clicking on this video. As you can tell, I am trying to get my motivation back. Get out of a rut, whatever. I don't know exactly what I'm calling this. Because the past few weeks, I have been struggling to complete assignments for school. I've just had no motivation for anything at all. So, this video, I'm going to be trying to get the motivation back. I think I might, since I started it after school today, I think I'm going to do it like at least tomorrow as well, maybe like this whole week. I don't know. It is currently Monday. It is almost October, guys. My goodness. Almost halfway through this semester already. Goodness. Because the semester ends in December for college. At least for my college. Okay. My room is not fully clean. I think when I get back, before I get back to reading, I'm going to clean my room. Like finish cleaning it, and I have clothes that have been there for who knows how long I need to put away. I should do that before I get back into school. Going back to like not being motivated for school, like so for my psych class, he has due dates, but they are not like set. Like if we don't hand them in like by the due date, he doesn't take any late points, which I'm shocked because it's college. But he doesn't take off any late points. He says you can hand it in whenever, whatever. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Anyways, my apologies. The past like 2-3 weeks, I'm not sure, I've been handing in my assignments late because I've just prioritized other things over that. Because I have online classes, and instead of doing them during the time I have set for them, I decided to wait till the last minute to do them the past few weeks. So then I totally forget about my psych, and then it's Monday or after, and I remember like, wait, I forgot to do my psych. So I have been getting my assignments in on time for the classes that have a strict due date. But it's been like the last minute, like it's been like literally the day of. Like, sometimes the night of. Hopefully after this video I continue to stay motivated. Because like the first week I was motivated, I was doing class, like, you know what I mean? And now I'm just like I feel drained already, and it's like, probably doesn't help that I've been slacking on my Bible reading, guys. Being honest, like, I have been not doing good with my Bible reading. So maybe, well, not maybe, I am maybe after I clean my room, but before I do my homework, do my schoolwork, I think I'm going to read my Bible. I've also had Bible plans that I have not done. Anyways, guys, your girl's struggling overall. I've been slacking on my Bible reading. I've just been slacking on spending time with Jesus in general, and slacking on my schoolwork. So your girl needs to get on top of things. So maybe even in this video, I'll like be getting back into the habit of reading my Bible every day and staying caught up with school. maybe we get a little bit of both. Yeah, so I bought my yapping, guys, but I just haven't talked at all this video, and I wanted to update you guys. So, give you the honest truth about how I've been doing in college recently. Yeah. So, I'm going to pick out some cute pajamas, I think. Because the past few nights I've just been sleeping. The past few times I've been just sleeping in sweatpants. So, see if I have any that are clean, or that I know where they are. Guys, I feel like I'm speaking really weird. Like, I don't know what I'm saying half the time. Anyways, so guys. Oh, there's Monday Night Football. I might watch football, and instead of having Twitch as my background, I might have that actually as the background noise. So I'm going to do school, but I am also going to spend time with my family. That's not one way me and my family spend time together, is watching football whenever it's on. I totally forgot about that. So I'm going to take a shower, then I'm going to take my iPad out to the living room, because it's going to be on soon, and read, and then also take my computer out, because this is also, I have like assignments on my computer that I have to do as well for psych. Anyways. Enough of me yapping, guys. I'm gonna actually do what I said I was gonna do. One last thing, you guys also know what I've been slacking on? Editing. So this video is in September, almost October. You might not be seeing this until months later, because I still have videos from June to post. I don't even know if I know I should post them. But you might just be getting because I don't know what's happening. See, I cannot do school editing, and like everything is just like forgetting about everything. It's not good. Hey guys, it's currently 10:20. I finished my work a few minutes ago, and that is all of the work I have that needs to be due, that is due today. I just have to continue staying caught up, so come along with me throughout the week. I think I'm going to do it the whole week, or most of the week, staying caught up and motivated when it comes to comics and reading the Bible as well. Bonus. Currently watching football. Hey guys, it's me again. It's the same day, just later. Besides the point, obviously I didn't film an outro for this video. Maybe because it was supposed to be part of another video. Besides the point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to leave a like. And feel free to comment anything so I can get to know you guys and chat with you guys. And then, while you're down there, if you feel like it, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified whenever I post, because still don't have a schedule. Hopefully we'll soon. So, yeah. Hope you guys are having a great day, evening or night, wherever you guys are, and I'll see you lovely people in the next one. Bye!